Weiss. I'm a Senior Director for Products in Oracle, specifically in the Oracle Infrastructure GIU. Oh, yeah. Well, Oracle is committed to open standards for a long time, not only in that industry, also in other industries. But here in particular, it's related to OGC, when it's about the GIS information, but also buildingSMART, when we talk IFC, BCF, and also we were privileged to help in developing the OpenCDE document API family. I think openness and the opportunity that the experts can use the best tools available is very important. Because es ist einfach nicht möglich zu sprechen, wenn ich die Sprache wechsle. So what I just did is I was just changing to something which is not understandable, not for everyone. So that's why it's important that we have a common language. And buildingSMART makes great progress in that sense with the developments of IDS, IFC 4.3, which is now published, the BCF, the newest version with 3.0, and the OpenCDE document API, which is about to be now finally a standard which allows the better exchange of all the different users out there in the field. And that must be our focus. The focus is how can these people can do a better job. Yeah, I think if you talk about this particular event, we have a couple of highlights. I want to name three. Number one, I think it is exciting that Technical Director Leon van Berlo has created that idea to really practically apply those standards with different products with an exercise. I think it makes it extremely tangible and people can see how things work. I heard just recently, this morning from him, about a very exciting thing where in a couple of seconds even new tools have been applied to really provide benefits. Number two, we had a very good panel session on Monday where we discussed specific challenges. And I think what we can also observe, we really move more and more the focus to value creation. Because ultimately it's only about value creation for users, customers outside to apply those standards to do a better job. And this is something where we really see that the understanding is changing into that direction, a way of just standard, just for the sake of a standard, so to speak. My last one, I think we have been also privileged to be a part of that digital twin development, or call it initiative, and in that sense the feedback of the audience was extremely positive. So I think the paper which has been written by the team has been downloaded over 3,000 times before the event, and the discussion with the audience and the community was awesome. Okay, the difference at this particular event is, I would say, we can really see the handwriting that the organization is getting more and more professional. It has been announced in the beginning that there is a change now in the organization happening from its founding to a professional organization. And I think we can see that in many aspects, how the organization is hosting these events. I think the quality is awesome in terms of a hybrid approach of on-site and also participating online. Secondly, the contributions gets much more robust. What we learn from the Norwegian colleagues here, how they apply those approaches practically in their daily business is awesome. That's really exemplary for the world to see that these things are creating value and it's possible. Yeah, so that I would say would be my highlights besides the mentioned before.